Hello children, welcome back to our class. Today we will do the first two construction questions on page number 163. Question number 1. In each of the two pictures below, a triangle is formed by a tangent to a circle, the radius through the point of contact and a line through the center. Draw this in your notebook. Here, the length of the line drawn from center to a point outside the circle is 5 cm and its radius equal to 2.5 cm. We know that angle between radius and tangent is equal to 90 degree. Students, recall the ratio of sides of a triangle having angles 30, 60, 90 degrees 1:√3:2. Here, the side opposite to 90 degree is 5 cm and the radius is half of 5 cm. The angle opposite to 2.5 cm is 30 degree. Here we get two angles, so its third angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Here, radius equal to 2.5 cm. First we have to draw a circle using this radius. Then we have to draw this triangle. Okay. So let's start. First of all, draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm. Then from the center, draw a line of length 5 cm. Here OP equal to 5 cm. From the point O, we have to measure 60 degree using a protractor. Join the angle 60 degree up to a point on the circle. It is the radius of the circle also, and it is equal to 2.5 cm. We know that angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. So from the point on the circle, we have to measure 90 degree using a protractor. Now we get a triangle having angles 30, 60, 90. Is it clear for you children? Okay. In sub-question number 2, the length of two sides of triangle are given as 4 cm and 2 cm. We have to find its third side. Third side is equal to the radius of the circle. Here, the angle between radius and tangent is 90 degree. So, opposite of 90 degree is 4 cm. Half of 4 cm is equal to 2 cm. So, the angle opposite to 2 cm equal to 30 degree. If two angles equal to 90 degree and 30 degree, then its third angle is equal to 60 degree. Here, the radius is not given. So, we have to draw the triangle first. Then, we have to draw the circle. Draw OP equal to 4 cm. From P, we have to measure 60 degree using a protractor. Then join the angle 60 degree. Take 2 cm on compass and put an arc from the point P. From O, we have to measure angle 30 degree using a protractor. Then join each other. We get the required triangle having angles 30, 60, 90. Next, using the radius, we have to draw a circle with center O. Is it clear for you, children? Okay. Next, question number 2. In the picture, all sides of a rhombus are tangents to a circle. Draw this picture in your notebook. Here, we have to draw this picture in our notebook. Here, a circle with a diameter 4 cm. One angle of the rhombus is equal to 40 degree. We know that angle between radius and tangent is equal to 90 degree. Extend the length of diameter to the rhombus. Here we get a triangle having angles 90 degree and 20 degree. Then what about its third angle? Yes, that is equal to 70 degree. Next, again we have to join the second radius. Angle between radius and tangent is equal to 90 degree. Extend the diameter to rhombus. We get 20 degree here. Then, what about the third angle? Yes, it is equal to 70 degree. We can repeat the same process in the below portion. We can use this method to draw the picture. For that, first we have to draw a circle of radius 2 cm. First of all, we have to draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Then join its diameter is equal to 4 cm. Using a protractor, measure 70 degree from the point O. We can measure 70 degree on both sides, on the left side and the right side. Similarly, we can measure 70 degree on both the left side and right side on the below portion also. Then join the radii of the circle. We know that angle between radius and tangent is equal to 90 degree. So using a protractor, we have to measure 90 degree. Join it by using a scale. Similarly, we can measure 90 degree on both sides. Join the line using a scale. The same process we can repeat on the other side also. Measure 90 degree using protractor, then join it by using a scale. After all this process, we get a rhombus with one of its angle equal to 40 degree. I hope you understood these constructions very well. Draw all these constructions neatly in your notebook. Thank you.